pudding. Why am I hiccuping? Stop. It doesn't stop. Wow, my castle looks so awesome. Mimi. 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 Timmy? I'm sorry. I just hiccuped. I didn't mean to break it. Huh? Ha! Looks like you need my help now. Mimi, where are you going? Mimi? Timmy, did you stop hiccuping? No. Huh? Isn't it supposed to stop when you're surprised? Spiders don't surprise me.
Is it fake? You scared me.
I'm sorry, Daddy. I was just trying to help Timmy stop hiccuping.
Oh? You know what? I have a good idea. Drinking water can stop the hiccups. Try it.
Uh-huh.
How do you feel? Did it work?
What's going on? Good thing I brought my umbrella. What strange weather. Oh, why are you all wet?
Because I hiccuped.
I have a good idea to stop your hiccups. First, take a deep breath. Like I do. Breathe in, and then hold it. Good job. One more second. Timmy, did it stop? Let's eat something first, and then think of what we can do.
That's right. We're all hungry.
Oh, come on, Timmy. Have some.
Yeah, you might feel better.
That's right. It's so yummy.
Timmy, you stopped hiccuping.
It stopped! It stopped!
What's going on?